Okay, so now we're orbiting the church with the drone here in my hand. You can see because the plants and the bushes are simply too dense for the drone to fly, obviously. So that's why now I'm capturing 2 images a second while holding the drone in my hand, okay? So in this way, we are aiming to achieve as high accuracy as possible. Ah, the church is really, really overgrown. Okay, this was one entire orbit around the church. You can see I'm holding the drone in my hand while it's capturing 2 images per second, because obviously we can't fly around the church as low as this point, because bushes and the trees are an obstacle for this purpose. So now we took a lot of images from the ground, and we are aiming to get a 3D model as accurate as possible. Okay, so here is the church from one of the sides. You can see this enormous crack here. The specialist, the colleague which I'm with now, he projects that maybe in around 50 years the entire right side could collapse. But we will have the current state documented. So now let's turn the timed capture on here on the remote controller, and then the drone is capturing now. And let's go inside the church to see how it looks. Ooh, here it's dangerous. You can see the ceiling is hanging over us, and it doesn't look super stable. So this is the inside part of the church. You can see, let me show you the paintings, the icons. See here, beautiful. So now we found some kind of sign here, some
inscription.
Sorry?
Inscription.
We found some inscriptions here. We think they are in Greek, right? And now we are using a Polycam and an iPhone 16 Pro to capture a small 3D model. I haven't tried this before, but we hope it would help us to read the inscription. Let's see the result.